Should you foam roll your IT band? The quick answer is no, you should not. And here's why. There's really no need to foam roll any tendons in our body. If we're gonna foam roll something, we want it to be muscles. And the IT band is the largest tendon in our body. We often see the foam rolling this thing, looks a lot like this, where we're lying on our side, working up and down. And to be honest, A, it's usually quite painful, and B, you're not doing anything beneficial. I hate to burst your bubble, but you're not stretching the IT band and you're not making it any longer by foam rolling it. You're more often than not just inducing pain. Now, if we just really are focused on trying to foam roll the lower extremity or the leg and the hip, we really want to stay away from the IT band. That's usually this line right here, quite often where you would find the seam on the side of your pants. We want to foam roll the muscles in the front, so the quads. We want to hit the muscles in the back, the hamstrings, and then hit the bundle of hip musculature here. Those would be the areas to focus on. And also some food for thought here. IT band pain is one of the most commonly self-diagnosed things we see that is misdiagnosed. More often than not, we find that it's actually pain that's being referred into your leg from your low back. Now again, we'd be happy to provide some clarity and some guidance on this and help you get the appropriate diagnosis. Just feel free to reach out and we'll get you going.